Here's a quick review of the NedFoss pocket knife, 3.5-inch D2 blade folding knife. Now, first of all, this comes in a really attractive case. First impressions were top notch. Opening up the case reveals the knife, a toolkit, and a cleaning cloth. The mechanism, the operation of the knife is really smooth, very secure. The knife on inspection is high quality. The knife is very sturdy, rock solid build. The blade seems really great. It's super sharp right out of the case. And like I said, the operation is really smooth. The toolkit is very convenient. I did accidentally leave this knife in my jeans pocket and went through a wash and dry cycle. It got slightly loose, and I was really worried that I ruined the knife, but dried it off, used the included tool, and tightened everything up, and it's rock solid. I've had this knife for over a year, and outside of using a steel, sharpening steel on the knife, I have yet to have to grind it down or anything, or use a sharpening stone. So this knife has exceeded my expectations. I highly recommend it. It's a great overall tool. I haven't used it really in hunting or fishing yet, but it's super sharp, and I take it with me everywhere, except of course the airport.